GSR for GMC and Chevy by VAIS Technology. High-quality satellite radio integrated right into your car's factory radio and steering wheel controls. To find your GSR, choose SXM from the source menu. From here you can browse the channels one at a time, or to view all your channels, select Browse, Artists, Presets and Channels, and All Channels. To add your current channel as a preset, choose Browse, Artists, Presets and Channels, and Add Preset. Choose Save Current Channel, and your channel will be added to your bank of presets. It will also display the preset number, the channel number, and the name of the channel above the song information. To view your presets, select Presets and Channels and My Presets. Here you can store up to 36 channels. You can also navigate your presets one at a time by holding down the track button. You can remove a preset by selecting Delete Preset and then selecting which channel you would like to remove. You can also replace a preset. Simply find a channel you would like to replace your old preset with, choose Browse, Artists, Presets and Channels, and Replace Preset. Once your list of old presets appears, choose the channel you would like to replace. Then GSR will take you back to the play screen and display the preset number, the channel number, and the name of the channel above the song information as before. If you would like to remove all your presets, you can choose Delete All Presets. To browse by category, choose Browse by Category. You can choose System Information to view your SiriusXM radio ID or check your signal quality. Get your GSR today at vaistech.com.